Hello, my name is Brandon Diego. Today I will be teaching you how to find a function list and to be able to create some new ways to visualize the data that you've created. Virtually I don't have any data right now, but the first thing I want you to do is to sign in and create or use an existing spreadsheet, like always. And then you're going to go to these tabs. You're going to press Help. You're going to go down and you're going to see Function List. You're going to want to press on Function List. It will bring you to the next tab, which I already have open, which will have a bunch of different functions that Google Sheets have to offer that you can see, that you can visualize the data just a little bit better if you want to add, subtract. You can also find the median, you can do dates, you can do anything like that. You look for it here. You can always do, if you're looking for something very specific, you can do press Control and then F, and this thing will pop up. It's to search on any page that you like. So you can go to any page and you can press Control F and say I want to find the sum function. So you go boom, boom, boom. And then you're going to go down. There's 42 options for sum. And then I am going to want to find the sum function, which is right here. And there it is. There's the sum function. There's the one that I wanted to find. Okay. And that is how you find the function list in Google Sheets. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.